Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed and this is my channel, Mohammed and Education for us all. Welcome to our kitchen for this segment, Cooking Made Simple. So as you can see, the main ingredient that we're going to use in today's recipe is eggs. So it is going to be an omelette based dish. So it will have eggs in it, obviously. We will have potatoes. It will have tomatoes, and it will have onions in it, spices to suit. Okay, we're going to have some cheese, and we will need corn flour as well. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is to cook the potatoes for a short while, because they take longer to cook. And I mean, you can put it into the whole mixture, but we're going to cook them first as a base. So in our pan we've got some oil cooking away there, and let's put the potatoes in there and get them to soften. Okay, so whilst the potatoes are cooking, we're going to prepare the omelette mixture. So the first thing to do is the 3 eggs. Okay, can we give that a good whisk? Okay, can we add the other ingredients, please? So this is finely chopped onions. This is the 1 large onion. It's up to you. If you like onions, then you can have a lot more. And finely chopped tomatoes as well. This really is a nice simple recipe. So give that a good mix. Okay, and into the mixture we're going to put some corn flour. So try 3 to start off with and see what it's like. Can we give that a whisk, please? Okay, our mixture is ready there. We're going to add masalas of our choice, a little bit of salt. What's that? Turmeric and chili and garam masala. Nice and simple. Okay, give that a good mix. Okay, our potatoes are in there, and into that we're going to add our omelette mixture, as I call it, and we're going to cook that for round about 10 to 12 minutes. So as you can see, that's beginning to cook nicely, and to speed up the process we're going to cover it with the lid there. Okay, and leave that for about 5 more minutes. Okay, there we have it, viewers, our what can we say, omelette slash pancake. Okay, we're going to put that into a dish now, and then add 1 or 2 toppings that I like. Okay, so what we're going to do is to add a little thin layer of cheese. So it's up to you. You can eat it like this, but I like it melted. So I will show you what I do. Okay, just to melt the cheese, we're going to put that into the microwave for 1.5 minutes or 2. And there we have it, viewers. I call it my cheesy egg pancake. Okay, so that for breakfast or whichever other meal you want as a side dish is absolutely delicious. So I do hope you're going to try it, viewers. It really is a nice simple dish. नजरीन उम्मीद है आप ये सिंपल एग ऑमलेट pancake डिश ट्राई करेंगे. मैं इसे एग चीज़ी पैनकेक कहता हूँ. Until the next time, I thank you for watching once again. Please keep watching. Please tell all your friends about the channel. Look after yourselves. Look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.